Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this custom resin Chanel cake stand. Then I used my Cricut machine and some black vinyl to cut out the Chanel decal. I added a little bit of glitter to the resin, not too much because I didn't want it to cover up the Chanel sign. And here you see me pouring it out, and with a popsicle stick, you just want to smooth out any empty areas and make sure you have a nice and even layer. Before I poured the resin, I also went ahead and prepped the edges with some painter's tape just to make sure in case you have any dripping, it won't mess up the sides for you. I also want to mention that whatever table or surface you're using, you want to make sure that it is leveled, or else whatever you're making, whether it be a tray or anything, it will not cure correctly and it's going to drip for you. And this is what it should look like with a nice even layer of resin. And you guys already know the drill, just let it cure overnight for 24 hours. So this was the final result after it being fully cured for 24 hours. It turned out really nice. This was actually an old cake stand that my sister had, and she wanted me to make her a custom resin one with Chanel sign to put her perfumes on top in her vanity table. So that's why I made it for her. But you can of course use it as a regular cake stand or have fun with it and make a different kind. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and stay tuned for my next video.